What do you get when you combine a huge diesel engine with a chassis that alone weighs just under 165,000 pounds? Well, that'd be a vehicle that can get a ton of work. Actually, 150 tons of work done. And that vehicle is the larger-than-life, almost too big for TV Caterpillar 785C off-highway truck. In order to experience all that this big cat has to offer, Caterpillar invited OTE to its Tenaja Hills Demonstration Center just outside of Tucson, Arizona, for a once-in-a-lifetime test drive. Used in the aggregate hauling business, think rocks, big rocks. The 785C can be found moving massive loads of coal, raw copper, or gold around mining sites all over the world. Larger than life and considerably larger than any other passenger vehicle out there, this truck of trucks is ready to move just about anything, anywhere, at any time you'd like. At nearly 17 feet tall, the 785C isn't the best vehicle for fast food drive-through lanes. That's okay though. Leave that work to the dualies and Hummers out there, because the last place you'll see this truck is on public roads. The 785C was designed for worksite use only. But just like your daily driver, from the operator's seat, piloting the 785C couldn't be more car-like.
It feels like driving a pickup after you get used to it because it's so comfortable. It's quiet. It has a stereo system. You can have an optional satellite radio system installed in the cab. It's got tinted windows, power windows. You have very good visibility, and it's very quiet. It has all the features and comforts of your family car or your family pickup.
Not to mention traction control, readouts that let the operator know when they've taken on a full load, and a total vehicle diagnostic system to keep operator and service technicians abreast of the machine's condition. When a work shift in a 785C can be 12 dusty, rock-pounding hours long, and the only thing keeping an operator safe and comfortable is the equipment they're operating, that all starts to make much more sense than it does on paper. Able to carry 150 tons of material, this truck can get a lot of work done in a small amount of time. And with a gargantuan loaded weight of 277 tons, the 785C needs a larger-than-life engine to get it rolling. That power plant is the Caterpillar 3512B. Sure, heavy-duty V8s and long-stroke mills can get some work done, but this engine can get it all done for as long as your heart should so desire. With 12 cylinders, twin turbochargers, and an aftercooling system, this plump diesel displaces a huge 3,158 cubic inches for a rockin' 1,450 horsepower. Definitely the biggest big block on the block. Understandably, design plays a big role in the ability and durability of this machine. And surprisingly, it shares more in common with the average automobile than you may think.
All of our mining trucks are mechanical drive. We have the diesel engine, we have torque converter, transmission, and rear differential. All much similar to a standard pickup truck that's out there.
So, if you think this is the kind of vehicle you need parked in your driveway, mine site, or you just want to one-up your neighbor, stop by your local Caterpillar dealer and be ready to shell out $1.7 to $2 million, depending on customer options, shipping, and setup. This kind of performance doesn't come cheap, but neither do the 300 half-ton pickups it can replace. So, if you've got something to move, like let's say, enough mulch to landscape your entire neighborhood, the Caterpillar 785C has definitely got it covered.